Magandang hapon, it's a lazy afternoon and while waiting for Mudra, it's her doctor's appointment day and while waiting for mom, let's start having affixes. And first one, start affixes with prefix ka. Ka. Ka, prefix since it is found in front of the root word. And you'll notice that often ka is used along with lang or palang. Let's have an example. Let's say the root is alis. Alis. If you wanna say she just left, kaaalis lang niya or kaaalis pa lang niya. Also, notice that I used the prefix ka. I repeated the first syllable of the root, a, and then the root, alis. Ka, a, alis. Ka-a-alis. And make sure to check the info. Sa ibaba, I'm going to write it down there as well. Also, I just want to add that you're going to encounter or hear people say kakaalis. Kakaalis. So, as you can see, the prefix ka is repeated and then the root kakaalis. Kakaalis instead of kaaalis. And it is fine, it's okay. You can use either one. It's not really a matter of life and death which one to use. Unless, let's say, unless you're taking a Filipino class and you're being graded by your Filipino teacher. But if you're just having a usual conversation, you can use either one. Kakaalis or kaaalis. Kakatapos lang ng dental appointment ni Mama. Kakatapos lang ng dental appointment ni Mama. Another day, kagigising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang. Kagigising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang. Kakaligo ko lang. Kaliligo ko lang. I just took a shower but it looks like I just woke up. That's because I dried my hair. Pinatuyo ko ang buhok ko. I dried my hair. Kakaligo ko lang or kaliligo ko lang. Kakakain lang namin. Kakakain lang namin. Ano ibig sabihin nun, Mama? Kakakain lang namin. Mama say, katrabaho.
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 Trabaho means work and katrabaho means
Co-worker.
isa pa. Kaklase.
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 Klase means class and kaklase means
Classmate.
there you go.